Please God.
If you no get sense for Maraba, you no fit get sense for this life.
You gonna explain?
You go fail too. You go fail. Please God.
God have mercy upon us.
In a small people.
God have mercy upon us.
What's going on here?
Situation.
Hello.